To respectable audience, 6 1 is 1, 1 minus 6, 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. And 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 5 times minus 5 will be equal to minus 25, which will be our answer. But remember that it is not correct, so it is wrong. Now I will solve again. 6 minus 1 and 1 minus 6. That question can be solved by obeying PEMDAS rule. So according to this rule, first of all, parentheses should be solved. So 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5, as we have solved in first method. Now 6 minus 1, as it is. Now here is no symbol, so we will put multiplication sign. Now remaining portion has two operations. First operation is subtraction. Second operation is also multiplication. So, according to PEMDAS, we have to solve multiplication before subtraction. So first of all, we will solve this multiplication. So we will get 6 minus 1 times minus 5. So 6 minus 155 minus 5 will be equal to, when we multiply minus 1 and minus 5, we will get plus 5. So 6 plus 5 will be equal to 11, which will be our final answer. In the first method, our answer was 20 minus 25, but in actual, by obeying PEMDAS rule, our answer is 11, so 11 is correct answer. Thank you for your support.